Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the canvas. Clean the screen in case thoroughly so reflections and smudges don't steal attention. Once done, pick a case and camera ring that match or contrast deliberately to create a focal point. Make sure your wallpaper and accent color are set to light or dark mode so icons and widgets pop. This helps your phone look cohesive and intentional rather than thrown together. Now you customize layout and visuals to refine appeal. You should organize apps into a few themed pages or keep one streamlined page for quick access, because less clutter reads as premium. Then apply a custom icon set and matching widgets. Consistent palette and spacing create balance and rhythm. Once done, hide unused apps in the app library and group the rest into folders so the home screen communicates purpose. To finish, tune the lock screen and subtle physical details so everything reads intentional. You should set a live photo or depth wallpaper, add focus-based widgets, and choose a custom font for lock and home screens. These small shifts change perception quickly. Add low-profile physical upgrades like a lens protector or magnetic wallet for utility and texture. If something breaks, reset home screen layout or reinstall icon packs and widgets to restore alignment and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.